Kevin and Bud working diligently on the patient here. Transfer case with extreme wheeling. We have proved you can break the welds that hold the planetary together.
There we go.
And we're now breaking it apart to put the copper washers on properly this time, since there are different sizes for each one of these.
So that's the intergalactic planetary?
That is.
Whatever that shin is.
Shims are the same.
So the thin one's going to
So we have
They're
Or
same
you have
size
two?
shims.
this part of the case right here,
I was just gonna.
and it's been cleaned out.
Very nice.
Very nice. And then we have this part right here.
Dr. Richard has been working diligently on
Yes.
cleaning this part.
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Yes.
Which one's chewed up? Okay, thin or thick?
The casing here that Shannon has done a very nice job of cleaning out and getting all the goo out.
Yes.
So
And then there's a bunch of parts that we probably don't need those anymore. We can probably throw those away.
I can just throw them all in there and throw a weld on there and
And hope for the best.
Let them rattle a little.
Oh, good. We need more parts.
and here
parts
you have the chain.
We have the chain. Your bling bling.
Yeah,
Oh,
the bling
with
bling.
the drain plug magnet.
yeah, we have a magnet. But
That's
the
good.
chain is looks like it's actually in pretty good shape, which is amazing.
It's a very
because
nice
it came
chain.
from Kevin's Jeep,
Yeah,
and that's
considering
just
the right foot.
unbelievable that this is not actually torn and mangled.
Yes. There he is. The gentle adjustment tool that Kevin's using right now.
We have a race that has been very dutifully cleaned. There
Oh,
it
look
is,
at
the
that.
bearing race. Very
Excuse
clean,
me, that's the one that got dropped into the dirt.
very clean now,
So-
all air blown out.
Wrapped it all up in case it
Wrapped
gets
it
dropped
up
again.
so that it wouldn't fall down. Whoops.
There we have it.
Hit it here with a hammer one time. Yeah. 3 of us we met here. 2 there.
Rodney's garage.
Portable garage.
Yeah, it looks like there's a.
Yeah, especially the way it's.
Dr. Rodney's going in to do surgery. He's got his welding shield on. He's now got a shield on his arm. He's tired of sunburn. Oh, we have sexual assault going on over here. Shelly, I got it on video.
You didn't write it down?
We got a book somewhere.
Rock race. Woohoo! Perfect. You're the man. Yeah. You made it farther than John? Whoa!
There you go. Perfect.